Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct your school gatherings online. So we'll be providing you with a dedicated live portal where students can register and we can display the schedule and the links of the event. Similarly, we can use Zoom for multiple hosts and live streaming and YouTube Live for live streaming. So now I'll show you a demo site for our online gathering. So a demo portal like this will be created, a dedicated live portal with your school's name, logo, and similarly we can also add the details of the event where your students can simply come in and register. They can type their name and mobile number and they can click on join live event. And they'll be able to join the event as and when it's live. We'll be able to display the schedule of the event and they'll be able to join the different sessions, and the sessions can also be hosted by multiple hosts. So if your teachers are at different locations, they'll still be able to host the same event, and we'll help you with the Zoom and YouTube live streaming setup as well. So you'll be able to carry out your school gathering or any other school function online. So if you are interested in conducting online school gatherings or any other online functions, you can get in touch with us. You can put us a mail at support@resonance.in, or you can contact our support team as well. And we'll help you with the initial setup that is required, and we'll also guide you for Zoom and YouTube live streaming setup as well. Thank you.